This is the Recycling, Scrap Metal, Commodities, and Economic Report, June 9, 2025. U.S. weekly raw steel production rose to 1.757 million tons, up 2.8% for the week, but down 0.5% year to date. Tariffs are having their desired effect of higher U.S. steel production. Higher tariff prices are great for steel company profits, but they are inflationary. U.S. dollar versus other global currencies. When the U.S. dollar falls, commodities priced in dollars mostly rises. It fell to 99.1, near a 3-year low. This was on the slowing U.S. economy, but the economy is holding up better than many expected. WTI crude oil price rose to $66.58 a barrel on the weaker U.S. dollar and positive China trade deal talk. The U.S. needs a trade deal with China due to China's stranglehold on rare earth minerals. Most U.S. auto plants will close in about 60 days if we run out of rare earth minerals. U.S. weekly crude oil production rose slightly to 13.408 million barrels per day, still near December's record. This is on good demand, but OPEC Plus is determined to gain back crude oil market share. The U.S. weekly crude oil rig count fell to 442, near a 3.5-year low. Lower oil prices are expected with the OPEC Plus increased production. That has U.S. drillers shutting down higher cost rigs. Scrap steel number one HMS composite price was steady at $311.67 a gross ton, on a good balance of supply and demand. Hot rolled coil steel price rose to $43.90 a hundredweight, which is $8.78 a ton. More increases are expected with the new 25%, now total 50% steel tariffs. Copper price rose to $4.83 a pound on the lower dollar and concerns over Chile and Congo supply disruptions. Also on the possible new U.S. copper tariffs. Aluminum price fell to $1.11 a pound, which is $24.46 a metric ton. The new added 25% aluminum tariffs, now 50%, will distort markets. U.S. May annualized vehicle sales fell to 15.65 million, the steepest drop in almost 5 years. This was as people bought ahead to beat tariff price increases. U.S. May ISM Manufacturing Business Confidence Index fell to 48.5, the third month of contraction. Output, new orders, employment, and backlog all declined. Inventories fell as companies worked off their tariff pull-ahead product. U.S. May new jobs report added 139,000 jobs, better than expected, but is slowing. Healthcare and hospitality grew as government and manufacturing decreased. U.S. May unemployment rate was steady at 4.2%. The economy is slowing as we discussed, but it is good. U.S. April trade gap narrowed sharply to 61.6 billion negative, which was expected. The previous 2 months, though, were almost double last year, as there was a rush before tariffs hit. The import rush is distorting economic data, though. On the good side, exports of ours hit a new record. Wall Street's Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 493 points for the week to 42,783 on the stronger than expected jobs report and renewed optimism on China trade talks. But consumer delinquencies are increasing and U.S. manufacturing is weak. This is Greg Brown. As always, feel free to call or email me with any questions, and we hope all have a safe and profitable week.